Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very impressive bounce today. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but it managed to be able to fight all the way back up to where it was. So yeah, definitely a nice movement there, but that does still bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, the first key level that really stands out is going to be right here at 13.5 cents. So why is 13.5 cents important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but one potential scenario is that the price comes down to 13.5 and then just continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it just broke out of and where it was down at those lows. And again, going back, not really a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, though, prices can't go straight up. So maybe the price still comes down here. The difference being it behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that low down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward, and 13.5 cents, again, represents that quote-unquote progress point. Now, in the event the price isn't going to roll back over and continues to work its way back upwards, as far as key levels of resistance are concerned, public enemy number one moving forward is going to be right up there at that 15-cent mark. So watch that very closely moving forward. So all in all, we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, definitely a nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.